I'm gonna hit alarm. I think we get through 50. We'll see. I think we get through 50, maybe go into 56 if we get through 50.
Where'd you hit your long?
I got mine at 46,
Ooh.
46.25. I think we're gonna pop and get into these 50s here. So I have a point on one. Let's see if we can get up. Okay, I'm probably gonna take this. Yo.
Question on that one. Why you take the micro instead of the major?
I wanted the major, but I did. Yeah, I should have let it come back down a little bit. But I think
cool. At least I'm seeing it.
Yeah, no, I got it. But the better entry was probably gonna be the major area off the bounce.
Okay. Hey, at least I didn't try it because I still got my power to go. But I was like, hey, that's a mate. That's a mate.
Gonna come down. Man.
When you
I got
see
a point on one and then a break even on the second.
When you see a double bottom like that at 42, 43, and it can't even make it up to the neck, which is at 50, wait. Wait, because it's weak. On a double bottom, it should go to or through the neck. And if it only goes midway, then you just want to wait. Now there's a better double bottom right there. There's a better double bottom.
This is a better entry here. We should try to.
Or at least now that it came, I got you, because now at least hit that major, came back to major support. Now it's teetering around minor support and also the double bottom.
Yeah, now that major support at 44 area, it didn't slip. There's no slippage below it.
None at all.
Yeah, so it used it as a complete support.
Okay.
However,
better because at least now I'm actually identifying those majors and minors.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you go in midway on a candle at 45, you can make a point or two and then still have the ability to scratch if it goes against you.
Yep.
You mean for the short?
For the long.
45 for the long.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this area. It keeps wicking. It's trying to push through.
So 2.
Really?
Be right back.
Let's see if it continues to hold here. It's getting weaker. Let's see if we get the bounce.
Here we go. This do or die right here.
That area is pretty tough. It's going through a little bit of consolidation. It's in the middle of the range.
Yes, this is accumulation area, that consolidation period. Not in this bullish move. I like the area for a long, but because
you haven't made a lower low, because it has the lower low. Was it 42?
I think when we didn't break the 37, that was my indication of the pop push higher. It's just a matter of getting in a better area of entry for the continued push long through 50. But yeah, it's for me that we got to get through these 50s. If we don't get through these 50s, then we may end up coming right back down.
Oh wow! I thought that was gonna be the pot right there.
Yeah, strong level.
It was strong coming up. It just fizzled out real quick.
We should get through it, but
it's taking its time.
Yeah, it'll take a little bit of time to get through this level.
Yeah, it's consolidation. It's consolidation at 40.
There it is.
Here it is. You're not long? Are you not long, David?
Yeah.
Nice.
So you see how 44 is
nice,
and it's support because you got a previous peak over in the London session at 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's consolidation, dancing between 44.51, 44.51, and then a little bit in the middle. So what does that tell you? Institutions are getting in at the low 44 for the pump.